Hi guys, let's make our chin chin. The recipe will be in the caption. Okay, let's get right in. First, don't forget to wash your hands. If possible, clip your nails because we're going to be using our hands to do this, okay? So something happened. All the while, I thought I was recording. I didn't know. I had added almost a lot of things before I discovered it. So let's continue from where I discovered. At this point, I've added all my dry ingredients. I added my butter. I mixed very well. I created a hole in the middle. And then I added my eggs. After adding my eggs, I also gave it a good mix. Then I went in with my liquid milk. After my liquid milk, I added my flavor and my water. I mixed it very well. And then I wiped my table, of course, with vinegar and cotton wool. And then I transferred the dough to the table and continued with the kneading. So just to ensure that I did justice to the kneading, I divided my dough into small portions and I just concentrated on each portion and just kept kneading it till it became a bit smooth. Okay, then I started flattening. After flattening, I went in with my pizza cutter. You know, there is no hard and fast rule to the cutting. Just cut horizontally and then cross it vertically, or cut vertically and cross it horizontally. That's just it. And you have your ready to fry chin chin. After cutting, you transfer to the boiling oil. You would have preheated your oil. It will not be too hot, but it will be hot. The way to know if your oil is ready, maybe I'll do a video to that regard. Just take your spatula, your wooden spatula, put it into the frying pan. If bubbles surround your wooden spatula, then your oil is ready. Okay, just pour your chin chin bit by bit. Ensure not to overcrowd your oil. Okay, once it's your just fry, keep turning. Once the chin chin turns golden brown, you remove it from the fire, from the oil, put in your sieve. Once it drains, you pour on the pan to chill. Is our chin chin not beautiful? Cheers. See you in the next class. Bye.